Richard Parkes is ready to risk his health and even his life to break a new world record. He wants to become the fastest ever to reach the South Pole from the Antarctic coast.
It's that challenge, it's that sometimes survival that I love.
2, 1.
See you guys.
Go, Richard! Come on, Richard! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Richard has been training for a year by facing some of the toughest challenges in the world. But was all this preparation enough?
I feel like I'm in it now. You know, the last 3 days have been 3 big days.
Richard realizes he won't break the world record, but he pushes on.
It's an incredible feeling to be so close.
He makes it to the South Pole and breaks the British record.